We strive to provide our customers with the best service possible. So when we get a 5-star review and they say things like this, we have to show it to the world. It never gets old to hear our customers post these types of experiences online. We take great pride in knowing our customers are happy. It motivates us to continue working hard at providing the best possible service. Happy customers are the key to our success, allowing us to continue growing our customer base. But don't take the reviewer's word for it. Discover the difference for yourself. We're confident you'll love the value and attention to detail that's become our specialty. Simply call the number on your screen and contact us today to get started. We look forward to working with you, and thanks for watching.